Welcome back to my YouTube channel, dolls. If you're new to the channel, then hi, my name is Giselle, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. And welcome to my old subscribers. I hope you're all doing fine and keeping safe. In today's video, as you can read from the title, this is a pumpkin spice eye makeup tutorial, and I also did the lips as well on camera for you guys. And I just wanted to do something different, something fun, and since it's autumn now officially in the UK, I thought that this is the perfect makeup eye tutorial that you are definitely going to be wanting to do, especially now as the weather is now getting into much more a cooler climate. I just thought this adds just that little bit of warmth and that cozy feel. And I also liked using the browns, the oranges. I just think it really complements everybody's skin tone, and I really enjoyed this. So I hope you enjoyed the video just as much as I did creating it for you all. If you haven't subscribed, once again, please subscribe, and let's get started with the YouTube video. Guys, to start the autumn eye tutorial, I am going in with my Patricia Bright, and it's a Makeup Revolution palette that she has with them, and I'm using the shade 100% Cocoa, and it's like this really lovely light brown shadow that I like to use for my transition colors, because it just helps my eyeshadows to really set well. If you guys want to see how to apply eyeshadows for beginners, I've got a video for you guys. I will link it at the end of this one for you guys to reference to. So I'm just taking a blending brush and I'm just literally going in around my crease with that color and blending it into my crease for my transition color. At the beginning it does look like a messy job, but I can reassure you that once everything is put together, it will all look in place. So that's what we are going in with to begin with, and then after that we're going to go back into the palette and we're going to be using this shade called Try Me. Since it's a pumpkin spice autumn warm kind of look, we want to be definitely adding some nice warm colors, and orange I think is just that color for autumn. So I'm just applying that on top of that transition color that we've already placed, and really making sure that I blend it nice and smoothly. Take your time with it and don't rush the process. So that's what I'm doing. Then I'm going to do the same thing to my other eye. Then after that, I'm going into my second palette that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the color Blaze. I really wanted a really nice sparkle, but still with kind of the vibe of autumn, and I saw this really nice color in the palette called Blaze, and it's like a copper, it's got an undertone of an orange, and it's like slightly a little bit brown undertone, and I just thought it would really look nice in the center of our eyelid area, just as, you know, a pop of glam and a pop of color, so that the eyeshadow doesn't look too flat. So I've just added that onto the midsection of the eye area. After that, we are going to go back to Patricia Bright's eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with the color Jet Setter, and this is just to smoke out the eyeshadow tutorial so that it doesn't look too flat. It just adds a bit of edginess, a bit of like smokiness to the like look, and that's what I wanted to add onto the outer part of our eyelids. So guys, I'm just taking a clean blending brush with no product, and I'm just making sure that I blend out any rough edges around the eyes so that it looks really nice and smooth. So I'm going in with my black liquid liner, and I just love using this before I place any lashes on. It just makes my eye shape come out a bit more and also intensifies the look as well. Feel free to leave this out if you don't want to use liquid liner. So guys, I applied my lashes off camera. Now I'm just going in with the last little bits of wrapping up this eyeshadow tutorial, and what I'm doing is applying the same shadows that I used, which is 100% Cocoa, and Try Me, which is the orange eyeshadow, and I'm just blending those out into the lash line because I just like how it looks. It makes the look looks put together, and also, you know, just kind of gives a really nice illusion in the eyes. And then to finish it off, I'm applying Blaze into the inner tear duct area. Now, last but not least, for our lippies, I'm going to be lining up my lips with the Berry M Cosmetics and their liner, which is called So Chic. I use this all the time, and I'm just lining up my lips before I place my main color in the center of our lips. And for today's liquid liner, I'm going to be using the Hudabeauty, and it's called SHERO or SHERO. I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's this lovely pink mauvish color, and it's a matte color. I'm such a queen of matte liquid lipsticks. They just look better on my lips, so I'm just applying that into the center, and I really like how it complements the eye makeup. And yep guys, that is literally it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah. Love you dolls.